I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox outfit game. To begin, open Roblox Studio and create a new baseplate project. This provides a blank canvas for your game. You'll need to familiarize yourself with the Explorer and Properties windows, which are crucial for managing game elements. We'll set up the basic environment, including a spawn point and a simple lobby area, ensuring players have a clear starting location. This foundational step is essential before adding any custom clothing or user interface elements. Next, let's dive into creating the actual outfits and designing your user interface. You can import or create custom clothing assets like shirts, pants, and accessories, ensuring they fit the Roblox character models. Design an intuitive UI using screen GUIs, text buttons, and image labels, allowing players to easily browse and select from potentially hundreds of clothing items. Implement a preview system so players can see their chosen outfit before confirming, enhancing their experience and engagement with your game. Now, we'll focus on the scripting that brings your outfit game to life. You'll write Lua scripts to handle the core functionality, such as changing a player's avatar based on their selections. This involves manipulating the character's humanoid description property. Additionally, consider implementing systems to save and load player outfits, allowing them to return to their favorite looks. You might also add a voting mechanism, letting players rate each other's creations, fostering community interaction. Finally, let's discuss how to prepare your game for the world and potentially earn from it. Thoroughly test your game for any bugs or glitches, ensuring a smooth player experience. Consider adding monetization options, such as game passes for exclusive clothing items or VIP access, which can generate Robux. Once polished, publish your game to the Roblox platform, making it accessible to millions of players. Promote your creation to attract an initial audience and gather valuable feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.